What is up, everybody? Tyson with Faithfully Bearded here. And if you've been following along to the channel, we've been talking about your hair porosity. And that's what we're going to talk about today. We have the next edition in this series of the hair porosity series. And to recap real quick, we've talked about porosity and how it affects your hair, what it is. And we've talked about low porosity. And you can go back and watch those videos at any time. But today I want to talk to you about the next type of porosity you could have in your hair, and that would be normal porosity or medium porosity, average porosity. I mean, we have low and high. So I guess it would be medium porosity. So if you have medium porosity, if you're doing the water tests that we've talked about, your hair could basically go into the bowl, cup, glass of water. It maybe kind of stays somewhere in the middle. Maybe one end kind of goes down, one end sticks up, maybe some's out of the water, maybe some's touching the bottom. It's kind of just floating in between there. I like to call them a floater. You got a floater in there. So you got a floating hair in the middle, dangling in there. It's not laying on top of the water. It's not floating at the top. It's soaking up the water, but not soaking it up to saturate it too much to sink all the way down. Your hair with a medium porosity is preferred porosity of what most people would like to have. Your cuticles on your hair are open average, or if we're looking at them like shingles, they're open enough and slid apart enough to where your hair is adequately sucking up the product that you put in. It's soaking it up, it's accepting it, but it's not over accepting it. It's not just gobbling it up and eating it. It's using it as it needs. You have the preferred porosity. So you could get away with using a light beard oil. You could get away with using a heavy beard oil. You probably could have balms, butters. You could probably wash once a week. You could probably co-wash or condition every day. You might even be able to wash every day and condition. Your hair, your beard, likes most products that you put in it. You haven't had issues with particular products on the sorts of too many. You tend to not have a lot of buildup. You tend to be able to have very good styling days and like most products. You are the epitome of beard envy when it comes to porosity. Now, with that being said, you have it pretty lucky if you have a medium hair porosity, but the chances are that your porosity is in the medium range are not very good. In fact, most people have a low porosity, and now we're talking about medium porosity. So you have the benefit of the doubt that you get to use most beard products and style how you want, use the products that you want, and your beard is most likely going to accept them. Some may feel better than others, and some may not, but that's where you get to pick and choose of what just feels good to you, not necessarily which your beard likes better. Now, it's still important with a medium porosity to pay attention to the products that your beard does tend to like. Now, if your feels good, your beard feels good, and your skin feels moisturized and soft underneath your beard, you're probably using the correct products and the correct amount of products. You still don't want to, with a medium porosity beard, you still don't want to overuse your products. So this is where it comes in handy of the collar test. Are you leaving oil on your collar because you're putting too much in your beard? Does your beard get clumpy and oversaturated with balm or butter? You still want to pay attention to the amount of products that you are using. I think that's about it for the medium porosity. Not many people have this one, but still something to learn in here. If you found this video useful and you like this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and the bell. And as always, I am Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Be bearded, be you, and God bless. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.